Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. So everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night and a great week. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow right now up 66. Nasdaq's up 30. S&Ps are up 13. Gold contract down $6.10, trading at $1,288 an ounce. Silver off 18 cents at $20.19 an ounce. Platinum flat at $1,462 an ounce. Copper up 3 pennies at $3.24 a pound. Light sweet crude up 43 cents, trading at $98.31 a barrel. Bonds, we have the 10-year up 4 ticks at 125.12. 30-year up 6 ticks at 138.04. King dollar up 28 ticks at 81.40. The euro is down 7 at 134.20, and the yen's trading 102.55. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world? In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? Check it out. Okay, so we're up 13 points, and we're going to be bouncing on tremendously lighter volume. If we go over to the SPY, the SPY, what you're going to see in this correlation, excuse me, folks, right now the SPY is up $1.31, 63 million shares traded. We did 183 million shares on Thursday. We did 189 million shares on Friday. This is a B to a C of an ABC structure on the way down. Now, what's really cool here, folks, is this. There's a lot of different ABC structures, meaning how far can you retrace the B to C leg? In this case, we're talking about an ABC structure on the way down. I suspect what you're going to see here is that the retracement is going to be minimal. And when I say by minimal, I'm talking about even right where we are right now, because this is going to get interesting coming in for the next close for the next hour. What we have here is this. You had a little surge at 1440. That got the SPY up to 193.81. That's where we are right now. All that was doing, though, folks, is coming into your downdraft that was out there from the 31st, which is Thursday, and we were coming into that with dramatically lighter volume. So I expect you're going to have is this. We're at 193.79. This thing's going to be, as we get into the close right now, you're going to start seeing this bad thing back right down to the 193.29, which is not a huge amount, but what it is a aspect that you try to get higher, have lighter volume, and then you couldn't hold price on a dead cat bounce. That's on your S&P. We go to the Nasdaq Composite next. This is what we have with the Composite. Composite up 31 bucks. Composite also is going to have dramatically lighter volume. If we take a look at the NDX 100, inside that correlation, what you'll see with the NDX 100 is that right now we've done 22 million shares, so we'll probably bang out about 27 million. We had come down with 50 million on Thursday, and on Friday we did 60 million. Right now, the NDX 100, if you take a look at the 3 Qs, we're at this 95.45 area. The little push-up at that 1430 came in with 820,000 shares. The 820 was going into 1.2 million. So bottom line, I suspect what you're also going to have there is the NDX, the QQQ, is going to back off to this 95.21 area. The gold contract, GCZ4. Okay, so let's take a look at gold. This is what we have with gold. Gold right now is down 620. We did 61,000 contracts, and that's tremendously lighter volume, folks, okay? As we back down into the lows that were established on Thursday, the lows established on Friday. On Thursday, we got to 1281. We had 143,000 contracts traded. Friday, we had 145,000 contracts traded. You did 61,000 out here today. What that is doing is that's building cause to get to higher price in the gold market. Bonds. We take a look at the bond market. This is what we have with bonds. We start with the 10-year. The 10-year continues to basically get into its May 29th swing point. That swing point, the bottom of that swing point is 125.13, right where we are right now. The top of it is 126. We've done 681,000 contracts today. That was after a wide price spread accelerated day on Friday where we did 2.3 million contracts. That's one of the biggest volume characteristics we've seen in the bond market in a long time. What that's saying is that, number one, the 126 are going to get tested, meaning that the 29th high. I suspect we're going to take it out, and I do expect we're going to take it out in volume. The reason for that expectation, folks, has to do with the 30-year. The 30-year had already taken out the B point, taken it out with volume. It's an ABC structure, confirmed ABC structure, to 142. Right now, we're at 138.04. The high of the 29th is 138.10. We had already taken that away, taken it out with volume. That was taken out on the 17th of June, and it turned into a complex ABC structure. And what a complex ABC structure means and does is this. You get over the high, you have the volume, tucks back underneath the B point, has, rejection of lower price as you get underneath there, goes right back topside again. That's what we have happening in that bond market. The yield on the 10-year right now is still under 2.5. We're at 2.487. King dollar. We go take a look at King dollar. What we have with King dollar is this. Traded at 81.40. This also went wide price spread, accelerated volume. We got up to the 81.61 on Friday. Huge volume came in, 33,000 contracts. If we do take a look at the dollar index, and we put this on a continuous chart, what you're going to see is that your next swing point up here that the dollar wants to go after is, this gets really interesting now, because, so we're at 81.40. And what you have, the next, what we've done is that we've got to this 81.50, taken it out, have the juice beside it. Now you're talking, folks, 84.96. It's a big number. So you get 84.24 to 84.96. That in itself is one monster move. So we'll see where this, what is going to make that acceleration all the way up to that area. But that is one heck of an area, and I expect we're going to see that, and we'll find out if you do get wide price spread accelerated volume as you go up to that area. Some of the high volume stocks out here today in a low volume market. We have Bank of America is up 8 cents. You have Microsoft up 50. Michael Kors is down 5.35. They come out with numbers this morning. If we go over and we take a look at Kors, what you're going to see, that stock already got basically taken apart. Now it's a very large ABC structure on the way down. This stock had come down from 101. It closed on Friday at 80. And it already had wide price spread accelerated volume on the 14th and the 16th of July. We just took that out with volume. So your A point on this, on a conservative basis, is 91. Your B point is 77, so 87, 13. You get 14 points. Your C point is 80. That's a $70 A to B equals C to D. You're coming off the highs. Now, what you're doing with Michael Kors, she's coming off the highs with volume. We put this on a monthly basis. And on a monthly basis, she wants to $65. $65 is I expect you're going to be backing into. It's already at $70, $76. $76.15 was where it had gone topside. It didn't have enough volume. That was the month of February. You went topside with 79 million. Last month, we went down with 89 million. This one's crucial to understand how you're going up versus how you're backing down. You back down with higher volume, wide price spread, destruction of price on the way down. You're at $76 right now. 65 is game. So that area, I suspect, wants to get hit. We'll see if the volume continues to expand as it gets down to lower price. Jpmorgan Chase, we take a look at Jpmorgan. Jpmorgan came down Friday with volume. You're going sideways right now. These financials want lower price. I suspect we're at 56.62 right now. 52.97 is game in that market. This is Tom O'Brien. This is TFNN. We stay right there, folks. We'll be coming right back. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Come right back.